This is it. This is the pond. Got one. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, that's a really nice one. Let me get him up. Beautiful fish. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are up near Copper, Colorado, just fly fishing for the afternoon, trying to see what we can catch. My relatives in the past have said this spot is super good, but the last time we've been here was somewhere around 3 years ago, so I don't know what to expect. We'll see you down at the water, get an idea of what's going on. Alright guys, I'm just going to take a sample of the water using this mesh kind of netting you can put over your landing net, and we're just going to see what's in the water. I don't know, I'm thinking stoneflies maybe, because it's that kind of year, that kind of time right now. Alright, so didn't get much. A few little, I don't know if you can see, but there's a few little bugs in there. Mostly debris. You see this thing right here? That's a little nymph. I don't know what of though. There's a few bugs here. That's about it. Let me go for another one. Oh wait, no, there's a worm here too. Alright, so this time around, didn't really get much more, which is not a good thing, but I see a few more nymphs in there. That's about it. Don't hook me. Wow, this is cool. This is it. This is the pond. Oh, there's a trout. Guys, I think that's a greenback cutthroat. Got him. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, is that a greenback? Dude, I think I just caught a greenback. No way. Oh my God. Dude. Oh man, that was so cool. Oh man, this is like a big moment for me. I've been wanting to catch one of these for years, man. Oh, hook is out. Hook is out. All right, hold on. There you go, buddy. Oh, that's a great catch right there. Go away. That's amazing. Guys, I know that catch was great and all, but holy crap. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's just so clear. You can probably see this fish right in front of me, but it's just so clear. It's amazing. I'm gonna go grab my rod and see if I can get another one. Oh my, man, that was absolutely incredible. I'm gonna remember that for a long time. Alright guys, so after a little complication with the fly I had on, otherwise known as getting stuck in a tree, I'm switching to a dry dropper because I've seen some fish rising, and I don't know, maybe I'll get one on the dry dropper, or the dry fly I mean. Alright, sorry guys, my GoPro ran out of battery mid-fishing. I did land 2 more trout. Not big, but I don't think they were greenbacks, so that first trout was a big deal. I'm about to go down to the water. Weather looks a little iffy, so I don't know if I'll be here much longer, but we'll make the best of it. Try and get one more. That's our goal. Alright guys, so right up behind this tree, the fallen tree, there's a pretty good hole. That's where I caught one of them. I'm gonna see if I can catch another one over there. Man, it kind of pisses me off that people do this. They come to these nice streams with these native greenback cutthroat and just throw power bait out there, try and catch them. It's really, really annoying. Because I mean, like, the chances of gut hooking and killing are like increased by like 20%. It's really bad. Actually, I take that back. More like 50. Dude, this pool is perfect. Got one. Ooh, it's a nice one. Oh, that's a really nice one. Whoa. Okay. I guess I'm going with you. This fish is taking me for a walk. Holy. Yes. Oh. I think I snagged him. That's not good. There we go. So, guys, look at this fish. This fish is amazing. It's been through a lot. Beautiful colors, little jaw issue, I think. But it doesn't really make sense that I snagged him. So I think what happened is he took the San Juan worm, because I was running a 2 rigs, like worm here, and the worm was at the bottom and the nymph was at the top. So I think he took the worm and then got snagged on the nymph and then spit the worm. So that's not good. I got the hook out, so it's not an issue now. You can't even see where it went in. And yeah, let's just get some photos of this guy. There he goes. Right under me. Can you guys see him? He's doing good. Oh, he's using my legs as like a water break. That's kind of cool. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he just went right under that tree. Good. Heck yeah, man. Let's go. Man, fly fishing is amazing. I can't even tell you guys how much I love this. This is like a dream come true. Wow, what a fish. This place is amazing, but this hole right here is a trap because all these fish can see you and they've seen tons of flies. But I'm gonna go for it anyway. Whoa, there's a fish. Snuck up on me. I really hope you guys can see as well as I can in here, because this is amazing. Right here is where the real fishing begins. These clouds are looking ominous. Oh no. Ow! Alright, sorry about that, guys. That was a pretty close call. But I think I'm gonna keep fishing just because I didn't really sustain any actual harm. But yeah, I just can't wade anywhere up to my knees because there's a huge ass hole in my waders now. So I set that hook way too hard and it popped off in the trout's mouth, but looks like he spit it out. I can still see it, but it's too deep for me to get. That's a bummer. Got one. Whoa. Yes. That was easy. Nice little fish. Look how beautiful these guys are. See the cut on their throat? Some of these guys have really red ones. I think the bigger fish have redder cuts on their throat, but the smaller ones have little yellow cuts. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I just sat there, snapped off a fly on a fish, then recasted, caught the second fish that was in the area, and bam! Oh my god, no way. Oh, dude, that was so close. That was crazy. Got one. Oh, yes. That was a cool take. There we go. Fish in the net. Oh, the hook just popped out. Holy. These fish are so beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna get him back. There he goes. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. That's what I came here for. Alright, this hole seems pretty fished out. I'm gonna move on. Got one. Ooh, strong little guy. Oh, no. Oh, wow. How the hell? Dude, I snagged his tail. What the hell? Alright, hook's out. I don't know how that happened. I'm gonna get him back because that must have been pretty traumatic. Again, a beautiful greenback cutthroat. Just going back. There he goes. Amazing. Yeah. Man, I don't even know how that one happened. That was a mystery to me. Snagging in the tail. I've never done that. That's the first time I've ever done that. At least the hook came out easy. That's a plus. Alright, hey guys, sorry I couldn't get the hook set on camera, but my GoPro battery is running like at 10% and I want to save the battery. And I was just kind of blind casting and I got this guy. Let me get him up. Beautiful fish. There he goes. Maybe I'll get one more catch on camera. Got one. Whoa, nice one. Nice little fish. Got him. Yes. Holy sh**. Hook is out. And let's release him. Man, I can't tell you guys how happy I am to be here. This is like... This is incredible. This is just right off the highway, if you can't tell. You see? It's just right off the highway. You can just catch these greenback cutthroats almost everywhere. This ain't a little guy either. This is a big one. There we go. Oh. There he goes. Bye-bye. Oh, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. I'm so happy I could be here. Man, a few years ago, catching greenback cutthroat was pretty much impossible, but now they're just right off the highway, man. They're thriving. And so far, every fish today has been nothing but a greenback cutthroat, so that's a good sign. That means that they're establishing themselves and like really coming back. That's a really good thing. Alright, I'm gonna turn my GoPro off. It's pretty low on battery. Guys, right as I turned my GoPro off, I just hooked another one. This is incredible. They're all piled up over here. I don't think I'll need a net for this guy. I swear, if this is the same fish. The pink sandworm worm is killing it today, man. Hook is out. Alright. You know what? That might be the same fish. No, he's bigger. He's longer. Alright. There he goes. Alright guys, I'm at 4%, but I just hooked up to another one. Or hooked up with another one. Let's see if I can land him and unhook him before my GoPro dies. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're not bad. Oh, I just got a bunch of water down my waders. That's not good. Oh, my feet are soaked. I don't like that. Oh, that sucks. Did the hook come out? Oh my, the hook just came out. Dude. Alright. Wow, this is a big one. Definitely a fighter. Come on, buddy. I know. Let's go. Alright, fine. Just release you with the net. Hey guys, sorry my GoPro died as I was landing a fish. I only brought 2 batteries with me that day, and I didn't realize I was going to be catching so many fish. If you like what you see, then please subscribe. It helps me out a lot more than you could know. Plus, I upload content weekly, whether that be fly fishing or normal fishing, but again, any support means a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I've got exciting stuff planned for the future, so see y'all later.